Making money with YouTube Shorts in 2025 is easier than you might believe as the landscape of viral content continues to evolve. The secret lies in identifying the 5 niches that are set to dominate the platform this year. First on the list is the ever-popular realm of lifestyle content, where authenticity shines through. Next up is the niche of educational content as quick and engaging tutorials capture audience attention like never before. The third niche is entertainment, where humor and creativity can lead to massive shares and likes. Fourth, we have the realm of technology reviews, where quick insights into the latest gadgets attract tech enthusiasts. Finally, the fifth niche revolves around health and fitness, as quick workout tips and wellness advice resonate with a broad audience. By focusing on these top 5 niches, creators can maximize their reach and engagement on YouTube Shorts. Ultimately, success in these niches hinges on understanding your audience and delivering content that speaks to their interests. In summary, tapping into these viral niches in 2025 can lead to substantial earnings and a dedicated following on YouTube. The biggest mistake that creators and entrepreneurs make is choosing the wrong niche, which often leads to frustration and failure in their ventures. This flaw in niche selection arises because many choose areas that are highly competitive, leaving little room for new entrants to thrive. Others gravitate towards niches that simply won't garner enough views, relying on outdated trends instead of current interests. Furthermore, some entrepreneurs enter niches that lack genuine earning potential, misjudging the market demand and revenue opportunities. Consequently, these missteps can lead to wasted time, resources, and ultimately disappointment in their entrepreneurial journey. To avoid these pitfalls, it's essential for creators and entrepreneurs to conduct thorough market research before diving into a niche. Additionally, understanding the target audience and their needs can help in selecting a niche that aligns with both personal passion and market demand. Ultimately, striking a balance between competition, audience interest, and earning potential is crucial for sustainable success in any niche. By carefully evaluating these factors, creators and entrepreneurs can position themselves for growth and long-term profitability in their chosen fields. But that won't happen to you, as I've meticulously explored various niches and discovered the most lucrative ones for YouTube Shorts. These niches are designed for quick viewing, allowing viewers to engage with content in just a few seconds. Creating content for these niches is not just simple, it's also incredibly enjoyable and rewarding. Most importantly, these niches can lead to significant earnings, providing you with opportunities beyond traditional ad revenue. In this video, I'll be revealing the top 5 YouTube Shorts niches that can transform your content creation journey. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on these valuable insights and tips. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into each niche and provide actionable strategies for success. With these strategies in hand, you'll be well on your way to creating engaging content that not only captivates audiences, but also generates real income. By harnessing the power of these niches, you'll set yourself apart in the crowded landscape of online content creators. As you explore these profitable niches, remember that consistency and quality are key to building a loyal audience.